Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. And as you can see, my dice rolls and money is not insane, but I'm going to go over to the shop and just show you guys. Make sure you copy your username from the settings. But anyway, guys, let's go to the shop. And as you can see, this is how much money and dice rolls are in my account. So I'm going to show you guys how to get more. So what you have to do is get on your phone and go to the website ogrolls.cc. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on this website, guys, what we need to do is choose how much money and dice rolls we're going to add to our account. So I usually like to go for the max. So after that, guys, just going to go ahead and select my username and my platform. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to put this in. So let me just enter that right here. All right, and now we need to wait for it to connect. So just give it a second, guys. It will not take long. But yeah, I'm just going to let it load up, as you can see. So verification time. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So for the first app, I'm going to go ahead and do the Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So for the second app, I'm going to do Bible. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just let these download. So they're pretty small, so not really expecting a long wait time. So the Travel Town's done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever. So let me just go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to run through this. All right. So I'm just going to run this right here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to play through this. So yeah, just run this. All right. So yeah, it's usually pretty easy, guys. So if you ever had any problems, just make sure you watch the verification. So you will be fine. So yeah, I'm just going to run this through a little bit more here, as you can see. All right. And then we're going to be good to go. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that, as you can see. So now we'll do Bible, so it's the same thing. So let's just run this right here. So I'm just going to do that. All right. So let's just run this. All right. So I'm just going to do this right here, as you guys can see. All right, just playing through it, guys. Pretty easy. So anyway, now when you open up Monopoly Go, we should be rich. So let's see, and it's not increased. Oh, it's working, guys. So be sure to try this out. Super cool. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. It's super crazy. As you can see, guys, my money and dice rolls is going up like crazy. This is so wild. So if this tutorial worked for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is so awesome. And it's fully updated and everything. So you guys can enjoy it right now. So I'll get down and make more videos. Peace out.